So this video is going to go over the steps you take when you are solving multiplication questions using the traditional strategy. This is the strategy that most of parents, including myself, learned when we were kids, and it's a good strategy. There's just a lot of steps that you need to go through and remember, because if you do the steps in the wrong order, you're not going to get the correct answer. So the first one we're going to look at is just a 2-digit by a 1-digit. So I'm going to choose 37. I'm going to multiply it by 6. So right now it's 37 times 6. So the traditional method is you always multiply your ones digits first. So my ones digit is the 6 and the 7. So I'm going to go with 6 times 7. 6 times 7 I know is 42. So I put my 2 down and I carry my 4 into my tens column because it's a tens. Now I go 6 times 3 plus 4. So I know it's 6 times 3 is 18. Add on my 4 and I get 22. So then 37 times 6 is 222. I'm now going to show it with you, or show it to you, a 2-digit by a 2-digit number. So I'm going to have the number 24, and I'm going to multiply it by 18. So 24 is a 2-digit number, and 18 is a 2-digit number. So what I like to do always first is just to help remind me is it's a strategy is I circle what I need to multiply first. It looks like a turtle, and I'm going to post a turtle video to go with it. So like it's kind of like a turtle head shape is what it's supposed to look like. So now I know I need to multiply my 8 by the 4 and my 8 by the 2. I always multiply my ones first. So I go, what's 8 times 4? That's 32. So I put my 2 down. I carry my 3. Then I go, what is 8 times 2? That's 16 plus the 3, 17, 18, 19. So I get 19. Now, there's nothing else for the 8 to multiply by with. We are done and we're moving on to the 10. So we cross off the 8. We put a 0 down to show that we're moving on to our tens columns. So now I need to multiply the 1 by the 2 top numbers. So I'm going to go, what's 1 times 4? That's 4. Then I'm going to say, what is 1 times 2? That is 2. And I'm going to now add it up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 4. So my answer is 432. So I'm going to show it one more time, a 2-digit by a 2-digit, just so you can clearly see the steps. If you need to watch this video a few times, that's a good idea. And also I'll post a picture showing it on kind of like a poster. So the next two numbers I'm going to work with are 84. Multiply it by 46. So my two 2-digit numbers are 84 and 46. So what I like to do is draw my turtle shape. There's my turtle head, so that now I know I need to multiply 6 times 4 and then 6 times 8. So 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 8 is 48, plus the 2 is 50. Now one thing I did in the last question I didn't do was I didn't cross this off. Because I used it, I should cross it off just so that I don't try to use that 2 again. So now I've multiplied my 6 by the 4. I've multiplied my 6 by the 8. I'm done with my 6. I cross it off. I put a 0 because I am now moving on to my tens. 4 is in the tens column. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 4. 4 times 4 I know is 16. So I put a 6. I carry my 1. I'm just going to put it above it. And then I go, what's 4 times 8? 4 times 8 is 32. Plus the 1 is 33. And now I add up the two numbers. So I have 4, I have 6, I have 8, and I have 3. 3,864. I hope this video helps you with your traditional strategy for multiplication. Thank you.